My trusted friend, including doctor, they suggest should take this injection. So, in order to prevent some serious problem, this injection is very, very helpful, very good. So, those other patient also should take this injection for greater benefit. So that's very important. So I took that. So I want to share. More people should have courage to take this injection.
As you know, we are in the second phase of COVID vaccination, and the government of India has started vaccinating age-specific people, 60 plus all population, and 45 plus people with comorbidities. So His Holiness the Dalai Lama ji was also one of the beneficiaries. He enrolled himself to be vaccinated. The question was where to vaccinate him. He himself offered that he will be coming to the hospital like a common man to get himself vaccinated. So we arranged this session in the morning, considering the security concern. He, along with 10 other people who were staying close to in his residence, we are vaccinated in the morning session, total 11 people. He was observed as per the standard protocol for 30 minutes. He was fine, and he made an appeal to the general public that the option is yours. Either you get yourself vaccinated at the earliest and protect yourself, or you will have no defense against the COVID infection. So we thank His Holiness for the message. We'll be circulating to the media shortly.
What about the second dose, and what was the name of this vaccine?
The vaccine injected was Covishield by brand name, supplied by the Government of India. It is manufactured at Serum Institute of India, Pune. All 11 people were given the same vaccination. And as far as the second dose is concerned, it is due after any day after 28 days. Where it will be put, when we put it, that will be charted out as by the administration.
मेरा नाम कोमल है और मैंने अभी सबकी वैक्सीनेशन करी है और वैक्सीनेशन बहुत अच्छे से होगी। थोड़ा तो कन्फ्यूज़न होता है, थोड़ा सा डर तो लगता ही है कि हाँ लगा रहे हैं, बट सब कुछ अच्छे से हो गया, बस इतना ज़्यादा।
वैक्सीनेशन के बाद कोई साइड इफेक्ट ऐसे
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ उनको, वो बिल्कुल ठीक थे और बड़े अच्छे से यहाँ से गए।